So we're here at Rocky Mountain National Park and just found this. It's called Beaver Pond here, and I have Heather and Rod out there, and they thought they found a beaver home, and they were kind of off the beaten path, maybe where they shouldn't be. So I took a stick, broke a stick off, and threw it at her, and nailed her. I don't know how. It's perfect aim. Hit her right in the leg. She like to lost her mind, and when she screamed, Rod said he almost jumped in her arms. It's a good time here. Hello and welcome to another episode of Full-Time Freedom Tour. Today we're in beautiful Rocky Mountain National Park. It's just a wonderful time that we had with our friends Rod and Paula Nestor. It was their 25th wedding anniversary, and we decided to go be with them in beautiful Colorado. We had rented these quads for the day and Rod was leading the way. He was completely unprepared for the freezing cold. Did not dress properly, as you can see by the socks on his hands. And in his anger, he decided to take it out on me a little bit.
The question is, Johnny, was it as good for you as it was for Rob?
I don't know.
Yeah, you want to see my film from when you try to put your boot on?
We came across this bull elk. Unfortunately, I didn't catch the sound, the amazing sound from this beautiful animal. I meant bull. Getting up this close and personal to this moose was a lifelong dream of my wife. She was in hog heaven right here, or moose heaven. As we stood on the deck of our cottage, we looked out and saw this beautiful elk just out in the field grazing, and I had to fly my drone over her. Scared her a little bit, but it was worth the shot, and there's Rod. We were so grateful that Russell and Heather Smith were also able to join us at this beautiful Grand Lake right at the gateway to the Rocky Mountain National Park. While they were there, they rented these crazy motorcycle Batman-looking mobiles, and we were all able to ride around them. It was such a great, enjoyable afternoon.
Scraping the trees right there.
Oh, really? Okay, I'm coming right now.
Okay.
thank you for joining us on this episode. I know it's a little short, but I just wanted to add this beautiful time that we had there. So leave a comment below and let us know what are your plans for this beautiful season of RV camping coming up in 2021.